Hey guys, it's Ryan here. Today, doing another video. Just came back from school.
Yeah. And today is hat day.
Yep, it's National Hat Day today. I did wear a hat to school, but it didn't really work out as I was really expecting. But where's Toby? I need to welcome myself in the house with a greeting from Toby. Toby? Toby! Where on earth is that cat? This is my third video today. Hi, Ellie. This is my cat, Ellie. She's my second cat I got. Her name is Ellie Beller. She's 1 year old. She's gonna get turned 2 on October 9th. If you guys want to see that video on October 9th, subscribe, like this video, comment below, say, I would have a video on October 9th. Okay, I probably am gonna upload on October 9th, but I never said I will.
See you, boy.
Just kidding. Let's go. Get out of here. You're not supposed to be in the video today. You're not supposed to be in the video today. Stop. Oh, yeah. So, I can't see where I'm going. All I know is I'm going to Toby. What the heck? He's not even here.
Like, where?
Where could that crazy cat be? I don't know, Evan. Crazy. It's Ellie, I know. I already got her in the video. I already got Ellie in the video. Don't worry. Hi, baby. Hey. Ellie. 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 Don't hurt Ellie. That is my second cat. Guys, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, comment below.
Shorty's face.
And ending with my kitty cat. Bye, guys. Peace out.